Alright guys, well today we're going to do some 10 cent coin roll hunting. So we've got 5 rolls to go through, so not too many, but we'll crack them open and see what we can find today. Only got 5 rolls because it just takes too long to go through to find anything worthwhile. So once again, we always look for low mintage coins. Or any kind of error coin. So yeah, I'm just going through, taking a look at the dates, making sure that I rotate the coin, and yeah, seeing if there's anything out of the ordinary. So all the coins I've come across so far are all fairly standard coins, nothing special. So probably the coin that I look for the most is the 2011 10 cent coin, which has a low mintage of around the 1.8 million. Also the 1985 10 cent coin, I think is 2 million from memory. I shouldn't rely on my memory, but I'm fairly certain, but I've been wrong many times. But let me know if I am wrong, please. So nothing popping up as yet. So we're always looking for off-center coins or anything out of the ordinary, like die cracks and those sort of things. Any extra cuds. So there's pretty much, I think there's only really, there's a 2017, but not worth keeping. I did keep a whole heap of them until I found out what the mintage was. Alright, so yeah, nothing in the first roll. We'll keep going. Usually when I get coins, I tend not to just go through the one type of coin one after the other, because I tend to get bored pretty easily. So I usually grab a few different denominations of coins, and I'll sort of go through them and try and, I'll do a couple of rolls of tens, or some dollar coins and $2 coins, just to keep myself interested, really. But there is an advantage of going through just the one type of coin, because you sort of get your eye in and you pick up differences in the coins a lot faster, because you're looking at the same coin all the time, and it is helpful. But anyway, that's what I do. Some people enjoy just going through the same coin one after the other, but not me. So yeah, usually going through to the 10 cent coins is probably one of the most boring coins to go through, to be honest, because there isn't a heap to find, and especially from the point of view that there's not many low mintage coins to find. When you do find them, they're worth keeping and collecting, because they do obviously have a higher face value than 10 cents, but there's no commemoratives other than the changeover, the 2016 changeover. But yeah, we're almost through 2 rolls here, and we haven't found anything worth keeping yet. Alright. $2012, 1988, 2006, and 99. Sometimes there's some big cuds on the back of the 99 in between these tail feathers, so keep an eye out for that. But yeah, cuds do happen a lot around the 0 and the 1, which depending on the size of the cud, and there are some very small cuds that do occur, not always that collectible, so there might actually be a slight little cud there on the 0. I'll try and zoom in there and we'll have a little look at it. But as you can see, it's a very small cud, and you can see that there on the 0, top of the 0 there. There's a little cud there. I don't really know if it's worth keeping. Coin's not in great condition, but yeah, keep it if you collect it. I'll put it aside for now, but I may not keep it. I'll just zoom back out again. So we're not having too much success right now. Occasionally you, as you're noodling along, you do come across proof coins that have somehow made it into circulation. The 97 is a low mintage coin as well. This one's not in too bad a condition, and sometimes people like to collect these coins because they're a little bit harder to find. So I might put this one aside, and eventually I'll probably have quite a few ready set aside, but you might sell a few of them to a collector at one time, and you can certainly get a few dollars out of them that way. Alright, we're almost getting to the end of this particular roll, and yes, we haven't found any 2011s as yet. I do have a fairly good hit rate of finding 2011s. I know people in other areas of the country really struggle to find them. I've been fairly fortunate in the area that I live that there must have been a lot put into circulation in my area, and they've possibly stayed in my area. But yeah, I know I've certainly, from other times that I've discussed 2011 10-cent coins, that people have certainly commented to me that they have always struggled to find them. But to be honest, I've never had too much trouble finding them, which has been fortunate for me. I have sold quite a few, but I probably do hold about maybe 40 or 50 of them. But yeah, I don't sell too many of them these days. I try to hold on to more than I sell. Just thought I saw something a little bit different there, but it's always worth a second check. So as you can see, it does take a little bit of time to get through these coins, but I love it. It doesn't bother me how long it takes. It's the fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. And 4 more coins to go on this roll. We've got 1 more roll to go. We haven't really found anything too much. I think, yeah, the 1991 is also a low mintage one, so like the 97, it's one of those ones that are worth keeping as well, depending on condition once again, but that one's a little bit poor on condition. But anyway, 1 roll. Let's see what we can find. I found one of these, which is the changeover. Not in the greatest of condition. I do have plenty of these, so I won't be keeping that particular one. Maybe someone who wants it can find it, but it's not for me. Alright, so we're almost through all these coins now. $20 more to go, I think. There's an old 66. Seen a couple of those today, but certainly harder to find the original 10-cent coin. Sometimes you find lamination errors as well, which is another thing to look out for. Check out my video on lamination errors if you are unfamiliar with that. And a few more to go. 83, we got here 2013, and the last coin is 2008. Yep, no, that's all, guys. So no, we didn't find too much. That was 5 rolls. Obviously sometimes you just have to go through a lot more coins than that, but today we didn't find anything. So once again, guys, thanks for watching, and if you enjoy these kind of videos where we go through lots of different coins, let me know. We'll keep going through them and try and locate some different coins and find some different ones that you guys may not be familiar with. Thanks for watching.